Anyone is excited to make money online, get started today. The link would be at the bottom of the description of this video. Get started, start making money. The training is amazing. The training is fantastic. The training will get you on a fast start. You just got to go step by step. You can't not skip. Don't skip the first part of the training and jump in the middle or jump towards the end, because you will miss out on important steps. So you got to follow it step by step. You follow the training step by step, you will start to see results. And that's why they call it the fast start training. If you're interested in joining a team, you're interested in building a legacy and leaving a business or a money or business opportunity to your kid, your wife and kids, and you want to, leave an inheritance to your family, and if you want to build generational wealth and you want to save money, get your bills lowered, it's only costs only the it only costs $20 to get started. Um, the link is at the bottom of the description of this video. You know what I'm saying? It's an amazing opportunity. Get started. Get started as soon as today. All right. Peace out. Have a good night.